Police say a fight led to the shooting at Granada Bowl in Livermore last night. One person dead, two others injured. Crown 4's Gayle has the latest.
Granada Bowl remained closed on Sunday, but it was a different scene the night before when Livermore police responded to a shooting that took place in the bar area around 6 p.m. Saturday.
It started out as a fight between three individuals and ultimately led to one suspect shooting and fleeing the scene.
A 28-year-old man died on the scene. Two other men are in the hospital. Jeff Tuba's friend was there.
It was traumatizing. They didn't know if it was a mass shooting. They didn't know if it was, gunfire, what happened. It all breaks out. You hear this stuff on the news, and I'm sure it's traumatic. And she's got kids that were there, so it's tough.
Tuba describes the bowling alley as a place for families.
But we have kids. We bring them here all the time, and it's just disappointing to hear that it happened. We don't hear that kind of stuff happen in Livermore a lot.
Saturday night, Sergeant Steve Gord with the Livermore Police Department echoed that sentiment and says the group involved in the incident knew each other. A suspect description has not been released, but detectives are combing through evidence and following leads to find a suspect.
We believe we know who that person is. So we did get a lot of tips right off. It was kind of crowded, so we did have a lot of witnesses.
The owner of Granada Bowl declined to comment due to the ongoing investigation. A post on their social media page reads in part, quote, "The staff and management of Granada Bowl are deeply saddened by the senseless acts of violence that occurred at our center on Saturday evening. The safety and security of our customers and employees is and always will continue to be a top priority. We will do everything in our power to assist local authorities in bringing the responsible party to justice." Granada Bowl plans to reopen on Monday and is expected to have shortened hours until further notice. Reporting from Livermore, Gayle, Crown 4 News.
Tonight, we're learning more about the victims of last night's shooting as an impromptu vigil took place outside of the bowling alley in Livermore. Grieving family members taking the time, of course, to process and heal after the tragic event.